Welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix hits to game not launching, not loading, crashing at startup, freezing, lagging, black screen or several other issues on Xbox. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart the game. For that, select your game from home screen first. Now press menu button on controller, select quit. Finally restart your game and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next is to check internet connection. So open Xbox menu, select settings, choose network settings, click on test network connection. Wait for some time to complete and then check if everything is working fine. Next is to clear persistent storage. This will help you to clear the cached data. For that, open settings, choose device and connections, click on Blu-ray, select persistent storage and then select clear persistent storage. Next is to clear Xbox cache. For that, open settings, click on system, click on storage, then highlight storage device and press Y button on controller for device options. Under it, choose clear system cache. Lastly, confirm it by pressing yes. Next method is to perform a power cycle. For that, press and hold Xbox button for 10 seconds unless it gets switched off. Now unplug power cord from console for 1 minute. Next, plug in console again and switch on your Xbox by pressing the button. Next method is to check for hits to update. So you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So make sure you check if there is any update available, and after updating the game, launch the game and check. Next method is to check for Xbox update. So make sure your Xbox console is updated to latest and not running on outdated version. First, open settings on your Xbox, select system and then select updates. Here check if there is any update available and click on it to begin the updating process. Next is to remove and re-add account. For that, press Xbox button to open guide. Now click on settings under profile and system. Next, go to account, click on remove accounts. Here choose the account to remove, then select remove option. After that, add the account again and then check if the problem is fixed. Next is to check storage space. For that, press Xbox button, go to profile and system, click on settings, click on system, click on storage. Here check whether there is available space or not, or else delete some unused apps or games to create space. Next is to reinstall hits to game. For that, press Xbox button controller, move to my games and apps, select see all option. Here select hits to game, then press menu button, select uninstall. Now after the game is removed, open hits to official website and download the game and then check if it's working. Next is to contact support. So lastly, when nothing works, then it's time to take help from the support team. Go to the Xbox support and tell them the issue you're coming across. You can raise a ticket to let them know about the error. They will better guide what to do, or else they will try to resolve it from their end and you can be into the game once again. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.